Well, young children may soon be eligible for vaccination. Pfizer just filed for emergency authorization from the FDA for children as young as 6 months old.
The question now is how many parents will get their babies and toddlers vaccinated. Jason Berry talked with parents who have strong opinions on both sides. So what are you hearing, Jason?
Well, if you thought the debate over vaccinations was testy before, well, it heats up even more when talking about young children. A number of parents I spoke to said no way when it comes to vaccinating their kids, while others can't wait to give their children an extra layer of protection. John and Lisa Humphreys are like a lot of parents who worry about their kids' health and safety. So when they heard today that their 20-month-old son, John Jr., may soon be eligible for a COVID vaccination, they were pretty excited about it.
As a parent, I feel like I want to protect my child as much as I can, and being able to use vaccines as an option is something I'd consider.
But not all parents are on board with the idea of vaccinating their young children.
Every so often, exactly.
Maricopa mom Amy Gleason has no plans to vaccinate her 4-year-old son Ford, even if the FDA gives the go-ahead in the next few weeks.
Calling it a vaccine, I feel like, is a loose term. I think it's an experimental thing at this point, and I don't feel like it's safe to inject it in my children.
The pharmaceutical company Pfizer asked the FDA for emergency authorization Tuesday to allow children between the ages of 6 months and 5 to receive a 2-dose regimen of the COVID vaccine. The vaccine is already authorized for anyone 5 and up.
This is just another step in getting rid of this pandemic.
Scottsdale pediatrician Dr. Wendy Kay expects there to be some hesitancy among some parents when it comes to getting their young children vaccinated. But Dr. Kay insists the science shows the vaccine works.
When you look at the risk of the disease, yes, these children do survive that get COVID, but many are hospitalized, and that is not a good experience. If we can prevent 1 to 50 children from being hospitalized with serious illness requiring ventilation, I think it's wonderful, and I would definitely encourage them getting the vaccine.
Health experts say anyone unsure about whether or not to get their kid vaccinated should reach out to their pediatrician and ask as many questions as possible. Young children could start getting the shots by the end of February. Reporting live in Phoenix, Jason Berry for Arizona's Family.